If ChatGPT is showing error 429, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to using it normally. Error 429 usually means you've hit a rate limit, which is basically ChatGPT telling you to slow down or try again a little later. The good news is that in many cases it's temporary and very easy to fix. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, and this is the most important fix, wait and try again. A 429 error is often triggered when too many requests are sent in a short period of time, so the simplest solution is to pause for a moment. Wait anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes, then try again. In many cases, the limit resets automatically, and once it does, ChatGPT should start working again without any extra steps. So before doing anything complicated, just give it a short break and test it again. Next, slow down your requests. If you're sending messages repeatedly too fast, ChatGPT may think the session is being overused and trigger the rate limit again. The key here is to let each response finish before typing the next message. Avoid rapid-fire prompts, avoid pasting a bunch of requests one after another, and try spacing out your questions a little more. If you're using ChatGPT heavily for work, breaking your tasks into smaller chunks can also help reduce the chance of hitting the error again. If the error is still there, refresh the page. This is a very simple fix, but it often helps clear temporary browser issues. On Windows, press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. On Mac, you can use Command+R. After refreshing, sign back in if needed and test ChatGPT again. Sometimes the problem is not the account itself, but just a stuck page or session in the browser, so a quick refresh can be enough to get things moving again. Another useful fix is to log out and log back in again. This can reset your session and clear temporary authentication issues that may be contributing to the 429 error. Go to your ChatGPT account, sign out completely, then sign back in with the same account. Once you're back in, try your prompt again and see if the issue is gone. This step is especially helpful if the error started happening after a long session or after switching between tabs or devices. If that still doesn't work, try switching your network. Sometimes your current IP address may be associated with too many requests or temporary restrictions. The easiest way to test this is by turning off your current Wi-Fi and switching to a mobile hotspot, or by connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Changing networks can give you a fresh connection and may help resolve the rate limit issue faster. This is a great troubleshooting step if the error keeps happening even after waiting. You should also turn off your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes trigger rate limits faster because your traffic may appear to be coming from a shared or unusual IP address. ChatGPT may respond more aggressively to that kind of traffic, so disabling the VPN can help. After turning it off, refresh the page, sign in again if necessary, and try your request once more. In many cases, that alone can make a big difference. So to quickly recap, if you get ChatGPT error 429, first wait a few minutes and try again, because rate limits often reset automatically. Then slow down your requests, refresh the page, log out and log back in, switch your network if needed, and turn off your VPN. These are the most reliable fixes and they solve the problem for most users. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.